Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the topic adverse impact of industrialization. Means the impact of industrial practices on the ecosystem. How these industrial practices are affecting our ecosystem. The things which we see around us in our surroundings, whether living things like birds, fish, plants, trees, flowers, or non living things like rivers, ponds, and oceans. All the things, when taken together, is called an environment. Is called an environment. And there cannot be human life on the earth without an environment. These things are dependent on each other and are found in a particular types of environment. That particular environment is called ecosystem. So the ecosystem term was coined by a British botanist, Mr. Tansley, in 1935. In 1935, a British botanist, Mr. Tansley, originated this word ecosystem. He says that an ecosystem or ecological system can be defined as a group of living and non-living things which are interdependent and are found in a particular type of environment. A man is closely related to the ecosystem. He is dependent or it like any living thing for food, water, air, space and shelter. He needs a variety of natural food to keep him alive. His metabolic wastes are returned to the biological abiotic system of the earth. Thus, a balance in this ecosystem is maintained naturally. However, this rapid economic growth and industrialization have led to the reckless exploitation of natural resources, for example, coal, gas, petroleum, etc. As a result, the natural balance of the ecosystem is disturbed. With the evolution of industrialization, in industries, what is done? The natural resources which are freely available in our country are exploited at the fullest. Their optimum utilization is done, and this has disturbed our ecosystem. Somebody has rightly said that things should not be used more than its availability, more than its production capacity. Like good seeds are used in agriculture sector. For HYV seeds are used, chemicals are used, pesticides are used, for different fertilizers are used in order to gain good production in the agriculture sector. But somehow or the other, it affects our land. The productivity of land is decreased or land may become barren after certain uses or after few years of using such HYV seeds. So this reckless exploitation has led that the our natural balance of ecosystem is disturbed. So, and this is only because of industries or industrialization. More and more industries are being increased, and these industries are affecting our ecosystem, disturbing our ecosystem. So the ecosystem is being constantly destroyed. Deforestation is taking place. Deforestation means falling of trees of an area which cost more land for agriculture and human settlement. Rural land is being converted into urban settlement. The rural land which was used for different other purposes or agricultural purposes, now it is being used for human settlement. Buildings are established, constructed, roads are constructed, and this is disturbing our ecosystem in one way or the other. And second disturbance is from mining industries, especially these mining industries are disturbing these mining industries are disturbing our ecosystem. How they are disturbing our ecosystem? These mining industries, especially in our India, are producing huge mineral resources like coal, iron ore, mica, bauxite, and manganese, etc. And these mining operations involve the following activities. First is exploration, second is disposal of waste, third ore processing, which is also called process of mineral, and fourth is creation of necessary infrastructure for mining operations. So how they are affecting? First, they have a bad impact on land. A bad impact on land. How they have an adverse impact on our land. Large mining operations often involve conversion of agricultural lands into roads. Wherever there is agricultural land, for this mining operations, the roads are built, railway lines are built, stock yards are built, townships are built, which is impacting and adverse effect on our land. Second, pollution of air. Air pollution is generated because of this mining industries. Various processes involved in mining industries such as drilling, blasting, road haulage, crushing, etc. produce dust and suspended particulate matter in the air, thereby polluting it. Third, the pollution of water. Various wastes are sent or various waste are disposed in the water which is used. Means different mines releases different types of chemicals and pollute the water bodies. So in these four ways the mining industries are disturbing our ecosystem. So here this topic ends. In our next lecture we will be studying about deforestation, urbanization and pollution. Till then, thank you, goodbye.